I hope it's going to work. You might give it a little push in the middle.
How can I help?
Of course, it won't go now.
Come over here.
There it is. It's going. It's going. Give it a little push. Give it a little push. And another little push.
Over that way, but seems to be a crease.
There's a bit of a crease. There it goes. It's going. Crashing into.
Yes. It's got a tail.
Woohoo!
That's
was
what's
good.
making it super hot.
Woo!
That's a great balloon.
That looks funny. What happened?
Something at the
Oh my God! What happened with that balloon?
What did you do to that balloon?
That's
really funny.
That is crazy.
You put it around and do it as tight as possible.
No.
Do it as tight as can be. Oh.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
There's a stick in
And you have to show your dad about the static balloon. You should show him too. It's just so beautiful. Oh,
Oh, I think I saw it. Was that the one with the halo?
yes, with a halo. Yeah,
Pretty cool.
that was good.
Did you see the flowers?
No.
They're in there. They open up when you put them in water. They open up like lilies.
Do they?
Yeah, it's really cool actually. So we have a.
Look! Look, I'm working.
It's working.
It's like a big motor.
Yours is working really well, Araya. It's good. Just move it off the edge a little. Yeah. You want to give it another try? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome,
Oh, Lorraine,
Kira.
look at it!
It is going.
Push it and it goes constantly down. There's something in there.
Motor.
It is.
It's like ice hockey, you know? Yeah.
Flying around.
Do you know this?
They had air hockey.
Air hockey, yeah.
Table.